So that is really our views of the ground truth. The truth itself, now again we talk about what is here, the Great Master Kintipa here mentioned, that is as followed as the Great Master Lungchimpas, as Lungchimpas view exactly this. So it is explained about in 6 different ways. The first is nature of the true truth. The second is the meaning of the true truth. And third is from where it is divided, or the best of the division of a true truth. And the fifth is characteristic. Fourth, right? Fourth is characteristics of the true truth. And fifth is division of the true truth. And sixth is the purpose of the true truths. So those are 6 divisions in a way to expanding the meaning of this true truth, or the true truth, which is as discovering the ground Madhyamaka. And so Madhyamaka is union of this true truth. As I said, when we say union, maybe the Buddha made that union, or we're making that union. That is not. This nature is in that status. It's a union. That. Why are we talking union? Because that is where we understand in this time. We don't see the nature is full display. Our knowledge is restricted because of the habit pattern. We see only bits of this, and we don't see everything. Therefore, it is as then truth. Otherwise, absolute is relative is absolute. It's same status. So it's not something have to make the division. But this is the way our knowledge, understanding is penetrating and overviewing of this nature. Therefore, then it is true. Then it's true. And so now, the first is nature of this, that is what the great master Shantideva said. Absolute truth is beyond the conception. Relative truth is within the conception. That is what he put. Something we can understand easily is relative truth. Easily. Something that we can't figure out immediately, that is relative truth. Absolute truth. And what is that? Often in the teaching said, in particular in the Nyingma schools of Tibetan Buddhism, this is not just only there, but that's highlighted. They highlight this. This is called the appearance and emptiness to truths. So appearing, what is appearing to our 6 senses, immediately is relative truth. And what is nature of that, what is appearing that we don't see, it is absolute truth, and which is the emptiness. That is named that. So appearance and emptiness, that is. So appearing is relative truth, and the emptiness of its nature is the absolute truth. That also Buddha taught. In the Buddha taught, of course, there's a lot of Buddhas that this, and again in here, can you take quotations too? And absolute truth is beyond the conception that is not existing any places. It is not any places existing. Not anything. And the relative truth is, or nature of relative truth is within the range of the conception and our mental status. Therefore, absolute is only experienced, recognized by self-discrimination, awareness, wisdoms. That is only what we discover. So that is the nature of these truths. Nature. More in Tibet. Nature that is. So now again, of course this is going to come there more than these things. But however, again we talk. And this is again another examples, kind of maybe examples. Relative truth is, what is relative truth? Let's look about our time in a way. Time. What is this month? This month is August. And now this is relative truth, we know. But we think, where is August? If now we're thinking, where is August? And we start really looking, trying to find out that where is August? What we will say? What we will say? Where is August? The beautiful August. Beautiful August. Where is this? Where is our beautiful August? It's not really. And we can investigate that. The day 1 is August, day 2nd is August, day 3rd is August. Every investigate, and we will say, it's no. So, that is just a pretty kind of roughly examples of that. If we don't investigate, analyze, if we don't think, August is here. August came, August is still here, and August will leave sometime soon. It's just beautiful. It's nice. But if we investigate, analyze, if put the analyzations, then August is disappeared. Couldn't take our pressure of the analyzations. Couldn't take that pressure of the reason. That is what known as the relative truth and absolute truths. This is also that nature that we don't find. It's not something separated from the August. But yet, it's not there as we think or we name. It's not there. This is the same thing to every this phenomena existence. If you can analyze, investigate, maybe you will find finally Higgs bones. Right? Higgs bones.
Boson.
Higgins bones. If you analyze and investigate Higgins bones, you will find. But if you go few more steps down, I don't think you can find anything. What is left is only mind. That is the only left. Nothing more. That is how it everything. If you analyze, investigate, there is nothing that can take the pressure. For that reason, in the great masters, these great masters often say, relative truth, it cannot take the pressure of the analyzations. Can't take analyzations. It is there. There, if you don't investigate, analyze. Those I will talk a little more about that. For that reason, great master Chandarakshita said, Mata Chipo Nyanga, I think he said. If you don't investigate, analyze, it's fine, it's so beautiful, looks nice. But analyze, investigate. If you put that in the laboratory, It goes. It's like banana trees, It goes with. That is why everything is known as like mirage. That is why it is known as everything is dream. That is everything what related truth is all. For that reason, Buddha said that form is emptiness. Emptiness of form. There is no difference. Buddha pointed right in Heart Sutra the truth so clearly, so precisely. Form is emptiness, emptiness is the form. That is what the nature is. This is what it is. This is what the nature of the true truth.